Hello, my name is Raheem Cooper Thomas, and today I want to talk about using locational data in Google Maps to create fusion tables. So we use fusion tables they are mapped out in Excel with rows and columns, and you can use some of the locational data in that table to visualize it on the map or use Google Maps to see exactly where the data is. So to do this, I want to look at some real estate data from Fulton County in Georgia in 2013. So this shows us buyers in Georgia. It's only 100 and I only pulled 113 rows of information, but from the public website you can download. I think it's about 8,000 of transactions regarding real estate in Georgia last year, or actually this year. This year, as you can see, all of this information is from May, the month of May. So, how do we visualize the data? If you look at Ann, you can see that they have the address, city, and state. And the way that I do this is through Kinkanet, which is a function on Google that allows you to take multiple informations from different cells and put it into one cell. So from here, I took the location address here and placed it with the city here and the state. And once we hit enter, it gives us the location and the city and state in one cell. So this is consistent with all of them. The reason I concatenate or use concatenate for concatenate, is it, or concatenate? I'm not sure. But the reason that I use it for this cell is so when I search for the locations in Google Maps, it's easy for Google to find the address and the city and state. So the way I upload this into Google is Google Fusion is an application that Google provides. So, for example, I could go to my Gmail account. Let this load for a second. I don't know. I do not like when the computer moves slow. Maybe it's something. Okay, here we are. And then I can go to the Google Drive. And in Google Drive, they allow me to create a new document using Google Fusion tables here. Now, if you don't have the Google Drive or Google account, you can go to tables.googlelabs.com. And it will take you to a window where you could download the application. Here's the application again. Google Fusion Tables, or create a Fusion table right from this website. So whichever one works best for you. See, visualize a bigger table data online. So let's visualize this. Let's see what Google does. So when I click on Fusion Table, it's gonna yes. Okay, so it's gonna ask me for a file from my computer, and so I want to use the same file that I had in the this window here, Fulton Real Estate, and then I'm going to upload this into Google. And as you can see here, it extracts all the information from Excel and places it into a format in Google. So I click Next, and I'm going to finish. And so what we're trying to do here again is to look at the data that's in Excel and kind of pinpoint where the owners are buying from in Google Maps. So here we have all the owners and grantors, and then for all the buyers, it has how much, how much they purchased it for, the location, and the addresses of your new owners. And so we want to look at, okay, well, where is this happening from? So once again, this is a Fusion application with Google. If I click here on city, map of city, it's geocoding, so it's taking all of the locational information in the table and it's kind of sorting it out now. And so here you see it pinpoints where all the buyers on Fulton County resides. Yep, some here in Minnesota, Kentucky, Oklahoma, Dallas, etc., etc. So when we look at Atlanta, we see there's a lot of concentrated around Atlanta. So when I first looked at it, I thought, well, of course, all the people who want to buy houses in Fulton County stay in Fulton County. When we take a closer look at the map, we see this is actually not the case. So Fulton County is this area right here. It's really kind of Atlanta, some parts of the outskirts of Atlanta, and here DeKalb County begins. There's another county, I think, over here, but Fulton County is basically this kind of 5-mile radius, 10-mile radius outside through Atlanta in each direction. But as we can see, all the buyers, you have buyers in Decatur, Stone Mountain, Sandy Springs, Douglasville, Alpharetta, places that are not concentrated in the city. So the home, which kind of signals to me that the homeowners of Fulton County, or that Fulton County is more of a rent-based type of housing. because the owners the owners of the land does not stay, one, in Atlanta, or in two, Fulton County. So Google Fusion tables also allow you to kind of look at different things on the map. So let's look at something. We're going to change the features in the style. When we use buckets, we can use multiple pinpoints to kind of show different data. So let's use a red dot here. We're going to use a red dot and a blue pen. And let's say we want to look at, sales price. So everyone from 0 to, let's say our maximum house that we bought here looks like it was, there were no more than 2 million in May. So we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna type in 2 million. Okay. So all the red dots are gonna show us from 0 or from 10 to, well, 0 to 1 million, and then the blue pens are gonna show us 1 million to 2 million, I'm sorry, as you can see. So 0 to 1 million, 1 million to 2 million. When we click save, our data changes. So as we can see, there were only one out-of-state purchase that was greater than $1 million. The rest of them were actually around, or in the local area. So again, your major buyers are coming from Alpharetta, Roswell, Sandy Springs. There's one here in Atlanta. It's probably in Fulton County. And then another one over here in Dallas. So this is just a quick way I wanted to show how Google Fusion tables can be used to read data. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.